How to fix Crisis Core FF7 reunion crashing. Part 1. Fix Final Fantasy Core crashing on Windows PC. Check system requirements first. Upgrade your hardware if needed. Verify game files integrity. In Steam. Run the game as an administrator. Close unnecessary background. Applications via WTM. Turning off third-party overlay. Apps. Like this. Disable Xbox game. Bar. Disable your antivirus software. Reinstall Visual C++ runtime redistributable software as admin. Part 2, Final. Fantasy Core crashing fix for Xbox One and Series S/X. Quit and restart Crisis Core or your Xbox. Update your Xbox. Log into a different Xbox. Profile. Clear up persistent storage on your Xbox. Path, settings, devices and connections, Blu-ray. Uninstall then reinstall the Final Fantasy VII Crisis Core app. Part 3, Final Fantasy Core crashing issue for PS4/PS5. Check game download status. Like this. Update, both, your PS4/PS5, and apps, automatically. Enable PS Performance Mode. Rebuild database in PS Save mode. Remove and re-download Final Fantasy. VII Crisis Core.